Hello, everyone. This is Mrs. Jane Cruz of Pinion Elementary School, and I would like to welcome you again to the Virtual Parent Summit 2021. So, today I am just going to present a review on how you could utilize the use of your Clever portal. So, actually, Clever is a single sign in wherein your kids can actually just click the icon and then they will be. Taken to the application that they will be using for asynchronous learning. Okay. So, for example, um, for example, I'll start with sharing my screen, guys. Okay. Okay, there you go. I will be typing clever.com. Okay. So, when you type clever.com, when you type clever.com, it will ask you to log in as a student. So, my dear parents, please make sure that you help your kids with their first time login. Okay, so log in as a student, just click that one. And then it will search for your school. It will ask the name of your school. So, in our case, we will be using Pinion Elementary School. Okay, and if you would notice, that there are one, two, three, four, and five, or six actually, elementary schools when you type the Pinion Elementary. So please make sure that you choose the Pinion Unified School District number 4 in Arizona. Okay, that's for your Pinion Elementary. If you have a daughter or a son in the middle school, please make sure that you still choose the Pinion Unified School District number 4 because there is Mesa Middle School. Okay. And then the last one is your Pinion High School, wherein you will just find one. Okay, that's a good thing with the Pinion High School. So let's start with the Pinion Elementary School. So when you click the Pinion Elementary School, you log in with Google. Okay, when you log in your Google and then suddenly you say, "Oh, I forgot my daughter's account or my son's account." So please feel free to call the front office to ask about their lunch ID, or you can actually ask the teacher of your kids. Okay, so I will be using my daughter's um, lunch ID. Okay, and then the password is usually the last name of the teacher, so capital letter. First letter is capitalized, and then 2020 number. Okay, so for example, if your son's teacher is me, you'll be typing J Cruz 2020 number sign or pound. Okay, and then click next. After doing this, guys, you will be taken to the Clever portal. And when you're on the Clever portal, it will tell you the teacher pages. So this is one of the teacher's pages. You can click the students' resources. Okay, this is whatever you want to use for your kid. So, for example, in my case, my daughter, Lexine, I want you to do Smarty Ants today. So what will Lexin do is just to click the Smarty Ants icon and it will take her to the Smarty Ants application. Okay. And then if you want to use your Power School, this is also a good place to go. Okay. Just simply click Power School. So let's try to use one of the materials that we use here in the elementary. So we use Study Island. So I will be clicking Study Island and then it will take me to the portal. So again, the first time you will log into the Study Island, it will ask you for the username and password. And then let's go to the different subjects. So as you can see, Lexin already earned something. So you can choose my classes. This means, for example, Mrs. So from her computer class updated some assignments. So you can check that out. Okay. If the teachers did not put anything, that means maybe the teachers or the kids already finished that. Okay, you can do an advanced learning for your kids. So, for example, Lexine, in my case, she will be third grade next year. So, I want her to do an advanced study for third grade standard, so I will simply click third grade. If your kid is in a high school and you want him or her to improve in ELA, math, and science, or just to review, please feel free to click the subject and the standard. Okay, so let's say high school math, select the subject. We have algebra, geometry, and algebra 2. Okay, so again, it's up to you what level your student or your kid would be. So in my case, I have Lexi, she will be on third grade next year. So I'll just go back to third grade and select the subject that I think she needs help with. So I will be choosing math. And then, as you will see here on this side, you'll be seeing diagnostic and the topics that will be covered for the third grade standards. So just click one of it and click lesson. Okay, when you click the lesson, it will automatically take her to a different tab, but it's still about model multiplication. The good thing with Study Island is that the kids can actually watch videos so that they won't get bored. Okay, they will not just be reading, but they can also watch. So we know nowadays that our kids would like to watch. Another thing is that they can do game mode. Okay, so you can let your kids do the game while learning. Okay, so that's one of the good things with your Study Island. Another thing is that you can also use, you can search for Edmentum. Okay, if it's not yet there, type for the application that you want your kid or your son or daughters to use. Click Edmentum Study Island, and then it will ask you to log in. Okay, and then it will take you like this. Okay, Study Island and Edmentum, they are the same. Then if you want to use the US program, it's also up to you. And then you can choose a lot of things that your kids will really love to learn about. Okay. So that's all for the curl. Oh, I almost forgot that in Clever, you can actually send messages to your teachers. So, for example, you have a question for your teacher. So, go to your, again, I will just go back to the main page or the home page. And then you will see on the top portion that there is messages. Click the messages and then type the message to your teacher. So I will be sending message to Mrs. Lara. Hi, good morning, Mrs. Lara. I I need help uh, with logging in or doing my assignment. I need help with doing my assignment. So with this, you can actually send a message to Mrs. Lara, and then there you go. She will be reading this if she opened her Clever portal. So I hope you guys were able. I was able to help you with the single sign in with Clever. So again, you can choose this resources that we use it at school to help your students or kids learn more. Okay, so see you and thank you for all your help. Bye. So, again, that is about Clever. Okay, thank you guys for listening and have a great day.